Our Space Coast, NASA just provided an update on its troubled Mars sample return mission.
Yeah, the ballooning cost to return the first rock and dust samples from Mars has now forced the agency to pivot to a new plan. Channel 9's Melanie Holt monitored today's teleconference update from the Kennedy Space Center. And Mel, the agency says it's considering two plans here.
And both of those alternative plans would provide for a simplified sample retrieval. They would also shave billions off the cost of this mission. So far, NASA's Perseverance rover has collected 24 rock and sediment samples from the red planet that may one day answer the question, was there ever life on Mars? But the agency's previously proposed Mars sample return mission would take too long and cost too much.
It was thought that it could be as much as $11 billion, and you would not even get the samples back till 2040.
This afternoon, NASA announced two new possible approaches to bringing at least some of these samples home to Earth. The first option relies on previously flown entry, descent, and landing system designs, the so-called sky crane method used with the Curiosity and Perseverance missions. The cigar-sized samples would return with the help of a European service vehicle. The second option leans on new commercial capabilities to deliver the lander payload to the surface of Mars. The latter option could mean returning the samples as soon as 2035 at a cost between $5.8 and $7.1 billion.
But why is it the Holy Grail? Because we might find life on Mars or evidence of past life on Mars. We know from Perseverance and from Curiosity that there are organic molecules on Mars. I'm an organic chemist. This is exactly what we want to find if we're looking for life. All the ingredients.
And Administrator Bill Nelson said he believes the agency will land on one plan by 2026, but any plan still requires funding, and that's beginning this fiscal year. He says they'll need $300 million to push this mission forward. Live here at the Kennedy Space Center, Melanie Holt, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.